Welcome to the introduction on how to install and start working with Dezyne. First, we need to visit our website, verum.com, and head straight to the download section where we can find the latest Dezyne releases. In this case, we simply need to download the Windows package. When we are done, we need to extract the Dezyne package. It is important that the zip file must be extracted maintaining the timestamps. If you don't know how to do this, please use 7-zip program. After extraction is done, make sure to copy path to Dezyne directory. We will need it later. Now we can open VS Code and install the Dezyne extension. After reloading the window or reopening the VS Code, we need to edit extension settings. Here we need to provide the path to our Dezyne directory and our email address. After applying the changes, we can test if Dezyne works correctly. In Dezyne root directory, we can find an examples folder. Let's open alarm example and try to play with it. From the right-click context menu, select Simulate Model. This command opens a sequence diagram which allows us to freely manipulate our system, trigger transitions, and examine how it behaves. Now let's try to verify our system. In the right-click menu, we can choose either we want to verify single model or the entire file. Let's choose the file option. In the bottom terminal, we can observe all the models and properties that are under verification. This time verification fails, and the sequence diagram displays error type and the full steps to reproduce this scenario. It looks like we have unhandled timeout signal. When our Dezyne is ready and all problems are fixed, we can generate the target code. To do that, simply run generate code from file. At first run, it will require to specify the output path that we need to provide in the settings. Now we can try it. When it's done, we follow to target directory and open generated C++ files. This code is formally verified, bug-free, and ready to be deployed. The alternate option is to launch Dezyne directly from the command line. To enable that, we need to make sure that the Dezyne location is present in the system path. Let's give it a try with some examples. To launch Dezyne, we need to use the Dezyne command. It comes with a rich help description for all available commands and options. Let's try to verify our alarm example with the verbose option enabled to inspect the output. Same as in VS Code, we can simulate our model. Dezyne runs the code in the textual simulator and allows us to exercise the model in the same way. For the code generation, we can run Dezyne code. It also comes with many configuration parameters, like generating main file for the model. Let's again generate code for the alarm example. And here we have it. If you're not a fan of VS Code but still value graphical tools, IDE command will provide same functionality, but in addition launches same simulation and testing environment at the local host. As you can see, this is the same sequence diagram as we saw in the VS Code. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, and I wish you happy designing.